Many types of survey follow a very specific process. For example, if you're doing an asbestos survey, you probably want to walk into the room, take some room notes, as they're called, and then record any number of sample points for specific areas of interest where you're going to take a sample of suspected asbestos. So it can be quite time consuming to add all of the items individually, especially when you're doing the same thing over and over. That's where presets come in. Presets are groups of items that you've predefined, and you can simply press a button to create multiple items at once. It's a little bit difficult to explain. I'd rather show you an example, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so let's have a look at the mobile app. Now the first thing you'll notice is that we've got this Add Preset button. This button will be available if there are presets on the template, which there are. I'm going to tap the button to view the presets we have available. And we've just got these two, room with one scraped sample and room with two scraped samples. Now, the number on the right hand side is telling us something. It's telling us that each of these presets have a number of items in them. The top one has 2 and this one has 3 items. So I'm going to click on this preset here. Now it's prompting us for some information, the building, the level and the location. So let's fill those in now. For the location, I'm going to put in bedroom and click save. So as soon as I click save, you'll notice that it created 3 inspection records for us. One of them is a location. This is where I put my room notes on this template. And then we've got 2 items here, which are samples. So we didn't have to fill in all of that information. The preset did that for us. And you'll notice there's red highlighting on the left-hand side, telling us that we need to look at these items and make sure they're okay. Now let's have a look at the first record, the location here. So you'll notice that the top 3 fields, the building, level and location, were the ones that we were prompted for when we added the preset, and we told the system what we wanted in those fields. But the next one down, we didn't choose. That was the preset that's populated this for us. So that saved us a bit of time, and we can go ahead and pop in some notes. So for this one, I'm just going to put in master bedroom, click save. Now, as soon as we did that, the red highlighting was removed, letting us know that that's been looked at and saved, and we can move on to the next item, which we will do now. So let's have a look at one of these 2 preset items that are left. Again, the top 3 fields were prompted for when we added the preset. We never chose the item. That was done for us. And then we've got some more things to fill out. So for this one, I'm going to put in flooring for the item, and for the material, put in bitumen. If I scroll down a bit further, you can see the presets populated more information for us as well. So we never chose to select asbestos, that was the preset. And we also never selected an inspection strategy. Again, that was the preset, it's done it for us. So as you can see, the preset can fill in bits of the form that save us time when we're actually coming to complete the rest of the form. We've let the preset pre-fill those bits of repetitive information, leaving us to fill in the rest of the form, those bits that require a bit of user input. So just to recap, presets let you add multiple items at once using a predetermined configuration, and we can configure these however you want. This was just one example. We have a separate article on how to set up and configure presets, so please go check that out. But I hope this has been a useful guide on how to add presets.